What's your first idea about wireless HDMI? Wireless via Wi-Fi or via the HDMI cable? Well, neither is ideal. It's either with huge latency and compressed or with unorganized cords running all over the place. To solve the problem, PickDo 4K Mini S mmWave wireless HDMI is finally here. After more than 1 year's development, in plain words, this is both a wireless portable hub and a wireless HDMI that can transmit the audio-video wirelessly. Its plug-and-play doesn't require internet connection or any setup. It's based on the 60 GHz mmWave transmission technology, so the audio and video transmission has no latency and with high resolution without being compressed. It supports transmission within the 98 feet range, which is approximately as high as 10 floors. It's literally enough for everything. Let's take a look at the product. It is made up with two components. There is a transmitter and a receiver. There are a number of ports. There are two 5V power supply ports. The HDMI port on the receiver is to connect with the display. The one on the transmitter is to connect with the output device. The setup is fairly easy. Just connect the transmitter and receiver with the power and HDMI cable. What are the supported devices? There are too many: mobile phones, laptops, PCs, and cameras. Consoles such as PlayStation, Switch, etc. Anything with an HDMI output port works. The performance is great. Here's a test playing video game. At the moment of shooting, the phone and display is completely synchronized. Complete negligible latency even in slow motion. Wait, PickDo mmWave wireless HDMI is achieving 120 Hz refresh rate? Check out the game performance. It's absolutely awesome. Now let's test the 4K graphic by playing some movies. The picture here is the highest resolution 4K Blu-ray. Check out the quality of the visual and audio. The graphic is good and there is no latency. While connected, you can use the remaining USB-C and Type-C port to transfer the data. Dual USB 3 port can access all sorts of storage devices. Connect your phone with the keyboard and mouse via the mmWave portable hub. And then mirror the screen wirelessly. There you go, the phone turns into a laptop. Go ahead and enjoy the computer system. Additionally, the PD port can power the output device, which supports up to 100-watt fast charging. It means almost all phones, laptop cameras can be powered and projected simultaneously. To be fair, casting while being charged is really cool. You don't need to worry about the battery while casting. Alright, that's the review of the PickDo 4K mmWave wireless HDMI. Overall, it's pretty amazing. It fixes the major problems of wireless graphic transmission to provide 4K high-resolution transmission with zero lagging, and it works as a portable hub too. The product is lightweight and portable, makes it perfect for home, office, and travel. It also supports HarmonyOS 4K output, is a one-stop solution as port hub, PD fast charging, and HDMI wireless graphic transmission. It helps you getting rid of all the cords, makes your life much easier. You will never want to go back once you try the wireless solution. mmWave benefits you work and life.